Belief is a crucial element. Trust in the process and surrender the need for control. You align yourself with the frequency of your manifestation. Affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce your new assumptions. The law of assumption is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and desires. It suggests that what you assume to be true becomes your reality. By consciously and deliberately adopting new assumptions, you can reshape your beliefs and transform your life. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore the fastest way to use the law of assumption to manifest your dreams into reality. Get ready to tap into the incredible power of your assumptions and create a life beyond your wildest imagination. Begin by clearly defining your desire. Be specific and detailed about what you want to manifest. Write it down in clear and concise language. By defining your desire, you bring clarity to your intentions and set a clear direction for the manifestation process. Belief is a crucial element in the law of assumption. You must wholeheartedly believe that your desire is attainable and already manifested in your reality. Release any doubts or limiting beliefs that may hinder your progress. Embrace a deep sense of faith and trust that what you desire is on its way to you. Immerse yourself in the feeling of already having achieved your desire. Close your eyes and visualize yourself in the state of fulfillment. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement that comes with the realization of your dreams. Engage all your senses and truly experience the emotions associated with your desire. By assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you align yourself with the frequency of your manifestation and attract it into your reality. Create powerful affirmations and positive statements that reflect the realization of your desire. Repeat them daily with conviction and belief. Affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce your new assumptions. For example, if you desire financial abundance, affirm statements such as, "I am worthy of abundant wealth, and money flows effortlessly into my life." Visualization is a potent tool in manifesting your desires. Spend dedicated time each day visualizing your desire as already accomplished. See yourself living the life you desire, surrounded by the people, things, and experiences you want to manifest. Visualize with vivid detail, incorporating all your senses. The more you can see, feel, and experience your desire in your mind's eye, the more powerfully you align with its manifestation. Detach from the outcome and release any attachment to how and when your desire will manifest. Trust in the process and surrender the need for control. Let go of any doubts, worries, or impatience. Have faith that the universe is orchestrating the perfect timing for your manifestation. Detachment allows space for the manifestation to unfold naturally and effortlessly. While detachment is important, it does not mean inaction. Take inspired action aligned with your desire. Pay attention to intuitive nudges and opportunities that come your way. Act upon them with confidence and trust. Inspired action demonstrates your commitment and readiness to receive your manifestation. Trust your instincts and take steps towards your desired outcome. Practice gratitude and appreciation for your current reality and the manifestation that is on its way. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for every step taken, every sign of progress, and every synchronicity that aligns with your desire. Gratitude amplifies the positive energy, and hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, and in the comments section, request the universe to send its positive field towards you by writing, "I manifest, I deserve, I'm worthy."
Want to learn some skills that'll pay you for life? Here's the stuff that helped me build my dream life. Check out the links in the description or in my bio and take your pick.